हाय गाइस, दिस इज यस फ्रॉम फैंटास्टिक स्टडी। स्वागत है आप सभी का आज के इस वीडियो लेक्चर में। आज का ये वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी इम्पॉर्टेंट है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा रोज़ बोले जाने वाले 100 सेंटेंसेस जो कि हम अपनी डेली लाइफ में इनका हमेशा यूज करते हैं। ये सेंटेंसेज आपके लिए काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण हैं, इसलिए क्योंकि ये हमारी डेली लाइफ में हमेशा बोले जाते हैं। तो गाइज ये वीडियो आपके लिए काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट रहने वाला है। Watch the video till the end. You are going to learn something new in this video. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. आज तुम इतने लेट क्यों हो? Why are you so late today? Why are you so late today? यह पंखा काम क्यों नहीं कर रहा? Why is this fan not working? Why is this fan not working? तुम कब पढ़ाई करते हो? When do you study? When do you study? यह कब शुरू होता है? When does it start? When does it start? तुमने यह साड़ी कब खरीदी? When did you buy this साड़ी? When did you buy this साड़ी? तुम्हारा बर्थडे कब है? When is your birthday? When is your birthday? तुम वापस कब आ रहे हो? When are you coming back? When are you coming back? रवि बाहर था जब मैंने कॉल किया। रवि was out when I called. रवि was out when I called. तुम्हारी परीक्षा कब है? When is your exam? When is your exam? हम कब पहुंचेंगे? When will we arrive? When will we arrive? तुमने फोन कब चेंज किया? When did you change your phone? When did you change your phone? जब कभी तुम्हारे पास समय हो मुझे फोन करना। Whenever you have time, call me. Whenever you have time, call me. जब मैं जवान था तो अच्छे से तैर सकता था। When I was young, I could swim well. When I was young, I could swim well. जब मैं घर आया, शिखा रो रही थी। When I came home, शिखा was crying. When I came home, शिखा was crying. जब वह 20 साल की थी, उसकी शादी हो गई। When she was 20, she got married. When she was 20, she got married. मैं तुम्हें कॉल करूंगा जब हम जाएंगे। I will call you when we go. I will call you when we go. काजल उससे कब मिलेगी? When will काजल meet him? When will काजल meet him? तुम कब सोए? When did you sleep? When did you sleep? पायल कहाँ थी जब उसके पेरेंट्स आए? Where was Payal when her parents turned up? Where was Payal when her parents turned up? मुझे नहीं पता केक किसने बनाया। I don't know who made the cake. I don't know who made the cake. सवाल यह है कौन इस प्रोजेक्ट को करेगा? The question is who will do this project? The question is who will do this project? आज रात गाना कौन गाएगा? Who is going to sing song tonight? Who is going to sing a song tonight? इंडिया का पहला प्रधानमंत्री कौन था? Who was the first prime minister of India? Who was the first prime minister of India? इस तस्वीर को कौन बना सकता है? Who can make this picture? Who can make this picture? आपकी राय क्या है? कौन मैच जीतेगा? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? What is your opinion? Who will win the match? IIT डिपार्टमेंट में राहुल कौन है? Who is Rahul in IIT department? Who is Rahul in IIT department? अगला सुपरस्टार कौन होगा? Who will be the next superstar? Who will be the next superstar? किसको आइसक्रीम चाहिए? Who wants ice cream? Who wants ice cream? कौन खाना पकाएगा? Who will cook the food? Who will cook the food? ये राम है जो मेरे साथ था. This is Ram who was there with me. This is Ram who was there with me. वह मेरा दोस्त है जिसने तुम्हें कॉल किया था. That is my friend who had called you. That is my friend who had called you. जो कोई मुझे जानता है मुझसे प्यार करता है. Whoever knows me loves me. Whoever knows me loves me. जो कोई भी यहाँ है राहुल उसके साथ बात करना चाहता है. राहुल wants to speak with whoever is here. राहुल wants to speak with whoever is here. तुमने क्यों पूछा? Why did you ask? Why did you ask? तुम क्यों रो रहे हो? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? तुम अंदर क्यों नहीं आते? Why don't you come in? Why don't you come in? उसने जॉब क्यों छोड़ी? Why did he quit the job? Why did he quit the job? तुमने यह टेनिस टेबल क्यों खरीदी? Why did you buy this tennis table? Why did you buy this tennis table? तुमने बॉक्स क्यों खोला? Why did you open the box? Why did you open the box? मैं आयांश के साथ हूँ जो मेरा बेटा है. I am with Ayans who is my son. I am with Ayans who is my son. आपको कौन सी बुक चाहिए? Which book would you want? Which book do you want? Which book do you want? कौन सी जगह आपको ज्यादा पसंद है? Which places do you like the most? Which places do you like the most? तुम्हें दवाई चाहिए पर कौन सी? You need medicine but which one? You need medicine but which one? मैं एक किताब ढूंढ रहा हूँ जो कि रेड कलर की है. I am looking for a book which is red in color. I am looking for a book which is red in color. मैं तेरा थोबड़ा फोड़ दूंगा. I will smash your mouth. I will smash your mouth. गाली देने की आदत छोड़ दो. Kick the habit of using cuss words. Kick the habit of using cuss words. तुम मनहूस लगते हो. You seem to be jinx. You seem to be jinx. अपनी भड़ास मत निकालो. Don't voice your frustration. Don't voice your frustration. वहां जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं है. It's no use going there. It's no use going there. मामला को यही निपटा दो. Hush up the matter here. Hush up the matter here. शादी के लिए आप कौन सी साड़ी पसंद करोगी? Which saree would you like to take for wedding? Which saree would you like to take for wedding? किस कॉलेज से हो आप? Which college are you from? Which college are you from? कौन जानता है क्या होगा? Who knows what will happen? Who knows what will happen? इस किताब से कौन कौन परिचित हैं? Who all are you familiar with this book? Who all are you familiar with this book? इस तस्वीर को किसने पेंट किया? Who painted this picture? Who painted this picture? वो लड़की कौन है? Who is that girl? Who is that girl? इस सेल्फी में यह कौन है? Who is this in this selfie? Who is this in this selfie? गिटार कौन बजा रहा है? Who is playing the guitar? Who is playing the guitar? आपका पसंदीदा हीरो कौन है? Who is your favorite actor? हु इज योर फेवरेट एक्टर? आप क्या करते हो? What do you do? What do you do? अगला टॉपिक क्या था? What was the next topic? What was the next topic? वो आज क्या परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं? What are they performing today? What are they performing today? आपका पसंदीदा खेल क्या है? What is your favorite game? What is your favorite game? आपकी विशेषता क्या है? What is your quality? What is your quality? मुझे दे दो जो कुछ भी तुम्हारे पास है. Give me whatever you have. Give me whatever you have. जो कुछ मैंने चाहा वो मुझे मिला. Whatever I wanted, I got that. Whatever I wanted, I got that. जो कुछ भी तुमने कहा वह गलत है. Whatever you said is wrong. Whatever you said is wrong. हम पिज्जा ऑर्डर क्यों न करें? Why shall we not order pizza? Why shall we not order pizza? तुम गुस्सा क्यों हो? Why are you angry? Why are you angry? आज तुम इतने थके हुए क्यों हो? Why are you so tired today? Why are you so tired today? तुम एक्टर क्यों बनना चाहते हो? Why do you want to become an actor? Why do you want to become an actor? आज सुबह तुम लेट क्यों थे? Why were you late this morning? Why were you late this morning? तुम वहां से क्यों भागे? Why did you run from there? Why did you run from there? तुम निराश क्यों हो? Why are you disappointed? Why are you disappointed? उसने इसके बारे में उसे क्यों नहीं बताया? Why didn't she tell him about it? Why didn't she tell him about it? वे उस बिल्डिंग के आसपास क्यों घूम रहे हैं? Why are they walking around that building? Why are they walking around that building? आपके पापा का क्या नाम है? What is your father's name? What is your father's name? क्या टाइम हुआ है? What time is it? What time is it? क्या हुआ? What happened? क्या हुआ? What happened? वहाँ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened there? What all happened there? उसके साथ क्या क्या हुआ? What all happened with him? What all happened with him? उसके पास क्या है? What does he have? What does he have? आपने क्या खरीदा? What did you buy? What did you buy? क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? मुझे नहीं पता क्या है ये. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is. आप क्या करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो? What are you trying to do? What are you trying to do? आखिरी रविवार को क्या किया आपने? What did you do last Sunday? What did you do last Sunday? आपका क्या मतलब है? What do you mean? What do you mean? क्या इंसान है आप? What a person you are. What a person you are. क्या लड़की है वो? What a girl she is. What a girl she is. मैं तुमसे 10 बजे के बाद मिलूंगा. I will meet you after 10. I will meet you after 10. मैं उनके बाद पहुंचा. I reached after them. I reached after them. मैं अपने प्रोफेसर के पीछे पड़ गया था. I was after my professor. I was after my professor. ट्रेन समय के बाद पहुंचेगी. The train will reach after time. The train will reach after time. मैं तुम्हारे जाने के बाद आऊंगा। I will come after you leave. I will come after you leave. पुलिस चोर के पीछे पड़ी हुई है। The police are after the thief. The police are after the thief. मुझे किसी के द्वारा रोका गया। I was stopped by someone. I was stopped by someone. तुम दूध के धूले नहीं हो। You are not saintly. You are not saintly. बड़बड़ाना बंद करो। Stop blabbering. Stop blabbering. सो फ्रेंड्स, आप इन सेंटेंसेज को हमेशा अपने डेली कन्वर्सेशन में प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए, क्योंकि आप जितना ज़्यादा इन सेंटेंसेज को प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपकी स्पोकन इंग्लिश जो है उतनी ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रांग होगी। प्रैक्टिस ही सब कुछ है, प्रैक्टिस करते रहिए। तो आपसे हम अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियो में फिर मिलेंगे 100 न्यू सेंटेंसेज के साथ। तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद।